Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back today with a new layout for the Hip Hip Club Zeng team. For this layout I was inspired by the mood board of this month and viewed the awesome November 2021 kits. I focus on the image with pine cones as well as the colors of this mood board, pink, blue and yellow. To begin with, I cut a white cardstock with clear gesso. Then with the heart template, I draw the shape in the center of my page. And I'm going to create a pinecone heart. So I glue the mini pinecone, which can be found everywhere at this time of year, starting with the outline and then inside. It's a very long step, so I'm not going to make you see everything, but nothing very complicated. I wanted to make a page in accordance with my photo, which represents one of our Christmas traditions. My daughter and me love ice skating, and even when we go to the mountains, we take our skates with us. We try to ice skate as much as possible at this time of year, and we love it even if we are not very talented. So, to keep this natural side, I had this idea to create a pinecone background. It's original and I'm even thinking of redoing another page, but with a family photo and framing it and making it a gift of Christmas. I will show you a few steps. And that's it, the last pinecone and the heart is over. I really love the result. I continue and I will widen this heart with gesso for a snow effect as in the mood board image as well as in the photo. I just tap the brush on the pine cones. It's very simple and the effect is really nice, I think. You can also add color with colored paint or ink. I don't know yet if I will use it. So I prepared the photo. I use yellow and blue Pocket Life kit cards and a pink pattern piece of paper from the main kit. I add crumpled tracing paper under the photo to bring texture and to blur the edges. Then I glue the yellow card, then the blue, askew, and the pink pattern paper after having distressed all the edges. I will have to add pieces of cardboard under the photo to stabilize it and put it flat because with pine cones it's very wobbly. Once it's well stabilized, I start decorating this page. So I selected several little things in pink, blue and yellow tones. I choose a chipboard holiday from the main kit that I place at the bottom of my photo and the chipboard December traditions that I place at the top left of the heart. I then add chipboard flare from the pocket left kit, a pink, a blue and a yellow in 3 different places. I add a few more chipboards and then a puffy stickers December days from the embellishment kit under the chipboard holiday and another puffy stickers wonderful on the chipboard December traditions. So I add the cardstock stickers Festive and Fun from the Pocket Life kit near the chipboard holiday, and then I add several die cuts flowers from the embellishment kit here and there, always keeping the same combo of color. I just have to glue everything now. I added 3D from under almost everything. This layout is quite simple and the fast ones, the pine cones, are glued. I really like these soft and winter colors, perfect for this layout. And finally, I added silver star chipboard and a yellow snowflake chipboard from the embellishment kit before splashing gesso diluted with a little water to harmonize everything. And here is this layout a little closer. I love this natural side that pinecones bring here, and this color combinations is just perfect for a winter page like here. I hope this layout inspire you in some way. I really loved making it. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a beautiful day full of creativity. See you soon.